welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and I am a junior at Troy University. I'm about to start my second semester of nursing school, but I'm also in a sorority and we recognize our seniors every semester. And mine is my adopted big, and she is going to be a teacher. And so she gave us a list of things that she would like to have for her classroom and stuff. Her theme was blue and yellow and lemons. So I kind of tried to base my stuff around that. I got a lot of stuff and put it in a big rolling cart so that she can carry stuff in that. So in today's video, I'm just going to go through and show y'all everything that me and my group, so she picked a couple of people to be in a group to get her things to support her as she starts off in her teaching career. And I'm going to show you some ideas that you could try to get for a teacher that you know that may have just graduated college. Okay, one of my favorite things, I actually drew this lemon out on a piece of wood, and then my dad helped me. He didn't help me. My dad cut it out and I painted it yellow like a lemon and then wrote her name on it. So she can set it up somewhere. She could drill a hole and use it as a door hanger or anything like that. But I just kind of wanted her to have some freedom to do with it what she wanted to, if she even wants to use it. So next we have this blue clipboard. The blues and yellows are kind of different. I have gotten her 2 blue and 2 yellow folders. They just have the prongs and pockets in there that she can use. And I got her 2 yellow notebooks. It's the wide ruled paper, 70 count. Yeah, 70 count. And it's 2 yellow and 1 blue. Next, I had packs of pencils. So since they're kind of yellow, I just tied blue ribbon around them. There's like maybe 12 pencils in each or 10 pencils in each. So I've got 2 of those. Then I got her a set of sticky notes that are personalized. It's got her name up there, and then it's got a lemon down at the bottom, and it is Post-it. I ordered it offline and it was like $12 maybe. I had like a discount code and I used that. And next up, we always have our seniors' parents write them a letter. So her mom wrote this card and sent it to me, and then I'm putting it into this. And I also wrote her a letter. Usually we will like read them out to them, but this semester was a little bit different, so I will just give this to her so she can read it. Next up is some decorative tape. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's got some diamonds on it, some hearts on it. So I just thought she may be able to use that somewhere if she wants to. If not, she can do whatever with it. But another thing on her list was sticky notes. And if you know her, you know that she loves colors and organization and stuff like that. So I saw this and I was like, she needs it. It's got the yellow and the light blue, so she could use those to decorate wherever she wants to. Most of this I got off of Amazon. If not, I already had it. But I will try to link everything that I got in the description below. I got her a pack of expo markers so that she can write on the board. And those were not on her list, but I just figure you can never have too many, and you can have so many colors, and you can just express yourself however with that. So I do want to reiterate that all of this was not coming from me. I had 4 other girls helping me, I believe. So there were 5 of us total who poured into this, and I just happened to be the one who put it together because I was like the group leader, and I will get it to her. So next up is this yellow bucket. I just wrote an H on it with like a paint pen, and then we got this is from Hobby Lobby, and so are these. They're just little picture stands. She could use it for sight words or, you know, any other things that go along with her class, or pictures of herself that she wants to put in there, and her friends and family. So I thought that was cool. This is also from Hobby Lobby. It's just a little lemon box, and it's got blue stripes or green stripes on the inside. And I just thought it was super cute. And next up, I got her a ream of paper because a lot of times teachers will have to provide their own paper. So I just thought that first pack can be on me. Next up, she asked for flare pens. She loves these things. So I got these off of Amazon. She asked for a laminator. So I got this laminator off of Amazon. I want to say it was like $30. And last but not least, I have this bag with a ton of little stuff in there. So we have a local company called Savon Mamas, and they make soaps. They make these earrings. This is the Jolly Rancher flavor. I love it, or flavor, scent. So I just put that in there. And then I got her this paparazzi jewelry set. It's got this necklace, and it's got that blue pearl type thing on it, and it's got a set of matching earrings to go with it. And then I also got this firming sleep mask, and I put that in there. But like I did say, I put everything into this rolling cart. I got it off of Amazon, and I think it was like $25, something like that. So it wasn't that expensive. She can use it. She can use it for storage. I just want her to have such a great experience, and I'm so glad that I've had this opportunity to get to know her, and that she took me in when my big transferred schools. So that's all I've got for this video, but thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to get notified every time that I post. I'm so excited to be more active now that school is out, and I can't wait to see what all that we have in store for the rest of the summer.